I'm gonna give you 5 cheap dating spots that you could take anyone on the first date. Number 1, we have the museum or the zoo. Both environments have enough to explore, but in the meantime, you're gonna get to know the person while building memories in the process. Number 2, we have the park or the beach. If you have a good park, a safe park, it's definitely okay to take somebody on a walk. There's always gonna be some ice cream truck at the park. You could go ahead and sit on a bench, talk to each other, spend a good time together without having to break the bank. Same thing for the beach. You could go ahead and have a walk by the beach, enjoy the sunset without any restriction on the timing. For number 3, we have drive-through movie theaters. Yes, this is definitely a good date because at the movie theater, you're gonna find some food, sit in your car, enjoy the movie while you're actually talking to each other. And from the many cities that I've actually been in, those drive-throughs usually cost between 7 to 15 at the most. You could go bowling. Yes, any bowling alleys that I've known, they always have wings in them. You get your little wings, you get your little drink, get to know each other, win some, lose some, still getting to know the person in the process. And for number 5, if you have water within your city or state, you could go fishing with each other. Here in Florida, $25 to $30 is gonna give you 3 hours. There's gonna be a bunch of other people, families with kids, couples doing the exact same thing that you're gonna be doing. And on top of that, you're gonna take whatever you caught with you, which means you're gonna spend a good 2-3 hours teaching how to fish or fishing together. You won't have to spend X amount of money on somebody that you don't even know.